Yeah, hi Terry, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let me know, we've done your jukebox laser, 24th, first month, 2018. Yeah, basically what we've done is we done the laser. Obviously, I can see it. Someone's already been in there. There's a couple of screws missing at the bottom. But yeah, you know, the unit is in good condition. You can see it playing away there. I've got a tape on top to stop the disc from flying off, but yeah, it's all working. Yes, we replaced the laser, checked the cogs for you, make sure that they're alright and there's no slipping in there. And we greased it up again for you because there weren't any grease in there, to be honest with you, or not enough to make sure it was all good. But yeah, it's all working now. Thank you very much, and you please leave feedback, and you've got your 6-month warranty if you need it. Thank you.